teacher Sir Maxwell. Welcome to my short studies class. Um, the last time we started with the topic environmental issues, and we started by defining environment. We were able to differentiate between physical environment and social environment. We were also able to mention some items or some of the things that fall under the physical environment and things that fall under the social environment. We're also able to discuss the relationship between physical and social environment. So in this lesson, we'll be talking about some environmental problems. So I always say that we have only one Earth. We don't have two Earths or three Earths. So if we mess up this particular Earth, we can go to a different Earth or go to Mercury or Mars. No, it's not that possible. So therefore, there's a need for us to keep our environment in a good shape. So I want to go through some of the environmental problems that we have. There are many, but these are just few that I want to go through. One, illegal and improper ways of mining. Illegal and improper ways of mining. So some people mine illegally, which means that they are not certified. Authorities are not aware about the activity, so they are just mining. And you see, funny enough, most of those people don't even mine properly. They don't mine properly, so most of them, when they after digging, they leave the pit there, which is very dangerous. People fall into it. And then it rains. Water cover. People fall into it. They get drowned. Sometimes too, they cut off the tree for they mine. So when they cut off the tree, the land becomes bare. Erosion takes over, and the whole land structure is being destroyed. And it's a very big problem that we are facing in the country. And the next one is waste management. Every home is producing waste. We call it bola. Home is waste, but how to dispose this waste is a big problem to us. Most often, we have some that is helping. We have other private waste companies that are helping, but it's still a problem to us, especially in the cities where a lot of waste is being produced. So how to dispose this waste properly is actually a problem in Ghana. The third point is deforestation. Deforestation, the cutting out of trees. And we cut down trees for furniture, we cut down trees for construction, we cut down trees for firewood. You get it? And you see, when we cut down these trees, trees are very important to us. Trees in a particular area or plant in a particular area even determine the kind of climate or the kind of weather that you have in that particular area. So as you clear these trees off the place, you actually are changing the kind of weather they have in that particular area. And also know that trees also help to preserve the soil, because when you have trees, it helps to reduce erosion. And also trees also help to induce rainfall or helps to bring forth rainfall. We have a type of rainfall called orographic rainfall that occurs as a result of wind containing moisture. You see, when that wind blows and meets an obstacle like a mountain or vegetation, this obstacle forces this moist wind to rise, and that's how we have rainfall. So when these trees are being cut down, you realize that it has there's kind of a lot of effects that we kind of experience when these trees are cut off. Let's come to air pollution. Air pollution, all the air pollution in class 6, class 5, where contaminated gases are being released in the atmosphere, leading to the air being polluted. So we have a lot of industries. When you go to them, a lot of industries are producing gases from their chimneys all the time. We have old vehicles releasing gases, or how do you call it, carbon monoxide from their exhaust pipes, and all this thing is not helping, but it's destroying the quality of air that we have. Let's go to pollution of water bodies. Pollution of water bodies. Another problem also facing that most of our water bodies are being polluted. One is by mining. Most people mine, and So as most of people, when they are mining in areas that are close to water bodies, their activities lead to the contamination of the water bodies. And also, we have a type of mining called dredging, where people mine. Some minerals are found in water bodies, or they are found in the soil or the ground on which the water flows. So when these minerals are being extracted, it leads to the pollution of the water body. So that we call dredging. Yeah, and people also don't use good way of fishing. People fish by using DDT and other things, and it also lead to the pollution of water. I also mentioned maybe people bathing in water bodies, people washing water bodies, animals drinking water bodies. All these activities lead to the pollution of water bodies. Good. The last one is sanitation problems. Has to do with sanitation in general, has to do with clean drinking water, adequate treatment, disposal of human excreta, and sewage. So this is also one of the serious problems we have. Most people don't have clean drinking water because they can lead to this, because most of the water bodies are being contaminated. And also adequate treatment and disposal of human excreta. I know human excreta and even sewage. So human excreta, we don't even know where to even dispose our human excreta. They're more friendly toilets. We don't even know where to dispose them. Most of them are disposing into the sea, which is actually not good. Okay, so these are a few problems that we are facing in our environment that we all need to work at so that we can have our environment intact. Yeah, have our environment intact. So let's look at our assignment for today. So I want you to outline 4 causes of air pollution. 4 causes of air pollution. What brings about air pollution, or what are the activities that lead to our air to be polluted? I want you to give me 4 causes of it. And also I want you to give me 4 causes of water pollution. What are some activities that lead to the pollution of our water bodies? Right, so see you in the next.